This video is all about a mixer grinder I bought recently called Preethi Peppy Pro. I'm very eager to unbox this because this is my first review about a kitchen gadget. Let me now open this first. I will take all the parts outside and I will show you all one by one. So there's one special feature about this product. There's something called as a gear guided jar. So please watch this video completely to know more about it. This is the main motor. This is 1.5 liter wet grinding jar. This one is 1 liter dry masala jar. And this is the gear guided jar I was talking about. And this is a mini chutney jar. So what is this Rapid 10 jar? It can chop 10 different ingredients in just 25 seconds. And it makes chopping, mashing, grinding and making paste hassle free. And you guys make sure you remove it because it should not come in contact with water. I'm now fixing it again. Let's first check how this jar works, and I'm gonna make my favorite salad. First now I'm adding some cucumber and make sure you lock the lid properly. So it took only 4 seconds to chop my cucumber. Here goes some onions. And again it took only 4 seconds to chop these onions. Let's chop some carrots now. It just took few extra seconds to grind these carrots. Be very careful with the blade because it's super sharp. And some beetroot now. It chops all the vegetables perfectly in no time. Just look how beautiful it has done its job. Now I'm adding some spice to my salad. This gear guided jar is definitely going to be very useful for those who have no time for chopping. Sometimes I used to feel very lazy to chop all these things, but truly I should tell this product is saved a lot of time, and now my salad is ready. Come, let's check what all other things this Rapid 10 jar can do. Just look at the texture, how smooth the paste is. This jar is also perfect for making goodies. You can just grind them in whatever texture you want, either it's fine or coarse. I'm making a fine powder now, and this one is really perfect. Next, I'm gonna make some tomato puree. This jar can also be used to mince boneless mutton and chicken. We also have a 1.5 liter wet grinding jar for larger batches. And the next one is 1 liter capacity dry grinding jar. We can use it for hard ingredients. And yeah, this one has also done a very good job. And the next one is the mini jar, which is going to be perfect for making chutneys. Let's see how this one works. And yeah, it's so obvious it has done its job in no time. And other features of this product includes it has a powerful 750 watt motor, and the design is very stylish, and we have 5-year motor warranty and lifelong free service. Use this coupon code and get ₹500 off from this website. Thanks for watching and follow Digital Diva for more informative videos.